2, 3. Okay.
Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome girl, welcome. I'm glad to have you. Okay, we do everything fun here: modest fashion, beauty, lifestyle. If that sounds like your thing, please consider subscribing and press the bell notification button to get notified every single time I post, because you're going to enjoy it here and I'm glad to have you. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a detailed eyebrow routine. No curve eyebrow. I do not curve my eyebrow, I do not thread it. I filmed a video initially which I'm going to post right here. I'm going to link it right here. About 30 minutes makeup routine, and I got a lot of DMs on my Instagram, which you should definitely check out, okay, on how, oh god, I'm out of breath. Whew, what I do for my body is, I shouldn't be filming this right now because I'm not feeling too strong, but I gotta come through. So I was saying, I got a lot of DM on Instagram on how to do like a perfect, maybe not perfect, an eyebrow without carving. So that's what we're going to be doing today, a detailed eyebrow routine. So I'm just going to teach you how I prune my brow without carving it. So let's get right into it. But I'm going to zoom you guys in so that you can see properly. Let us go. So I would like to think you guys are zoomed in now, invading in my privacy. But anything for my buddies, like I said. So where do we start? Guys, the secret to the no curve eyebrow is this guys. I cannot even emphasize it enough. It is the Got2b Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, non-sticky, no flakes, and crazy hold. Guys, this has crazy hold. I think this is actually meant to be used on the head, but I've been using it for my eyebrow and it's been amazing. All those clear brow gels that they sell in the markets, guys, doesn't work like this baby right here. So this is the first thing you need to get it, guys. If I sound out of breath all through this video, do know that it's because I have sore throat, but I have to come through for you guys. So let us start. So then you also need a toothbrush. My own toothbrush is crusty. Like, yeah, I'm just going to be doing one of the eyebrows, guys, so you're gonna see how I do it. So I'm going to put a little bit of the gel behind my hand. I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can. So I'm going to be using this small mirror right here that was gifted to me by my sister-in-law. It's so cute and adorable. Thank you, Stacey. So I'm just going to go right in. I don't know if I should do the right eyebrows or the left. Let me do the right. So I'm just going to go in and just use it to lay your brows down. Just coat it with air and use it to lay your brows down like so. Then just use it to define your brow like the way I'm doing right now. You can see how I did that. So this has brought out the shape that I want. Like I said in my other video, I do not seek for perfection when it comes to my eyebrow. I am okay with this like this. So I've done that. Then you're going to wait for it to dry a little bit. After you wait for it to dry, you're going to go in with an angle brush. This one is from Nuban Beauty. It is in their brush palette. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit in the shade 40 because it's kind of similar to my skin tone. I'm just going to need this much, just maybe this much. Going with it. This is going to use it to carve the eyebrow underneath like so. So I used it to get out the shape of my eyebrow. By the way guys, my clothes is from Glamour Attire. They have like this luxury exaggerated pieces. Look how cool this is. They have luxury exaggerated pieces and it's so nice. You guys should check them out. I'm going to link their page below. So guys, I'm just drawing it. Usually this doesn't take much time in all honesty, but today because I'm trying to get it as right as possible is why I am taking my good time. So after going in with your concealer, you can blend with your hand or you can blend with a tool, but sometimes I just like blending with my hand in all honesty. So guys, this is all I do really when it comes to concealing my eyebrows, drawing it and concealing it. This is all I do. But if you want, you can go in with your foundation shade above the eyebrow to give it an even more defined look. So yeah, you can do that, but I won't be doing that. I'm just going to clean up underneath like so, and just get the rest of the product on my eyelid in preparation for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be wearing. So sometimes when I want an even more defined look, I go in with, if I can find it for the life of me, go in with this eye pencil. It is the Beautyline by Didi. So sometimes when I want a more defined look, I go in with this to fill up the sparse areas. Just like so. I'll just check and I'll draw like air-like strokes. I have pretty full eyebrow, so I really do not need to do much, or do I say it is full enough for me? So I just do it like that. Sometimes I go in with this, then I'm going to have to wait for it to dry first. So guys, that is how I get my eyebrow. So I'll proceed to do the rest of my makeup off camera. So buddies, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, do give it a thumbs up. It does help me out here on the channel. It does make me know the kind of videos you want so that I can make more of it. You can also comment below to help your girl out on the kind of videos that you want to see me do next. Okay, thank you so much for watching. But wait, before you go, why have you not subscribed? No, tell me, why have you not subscribed? It is totally free. You're not even going to spend a dime. Just smash that red button below and smash the bell notification button to get notified every time I post. Okay, thank you so much and bye.
2, 3